Now, how does the the formula for NCR, how is it derived from FTC, the fundamental theory of counting? For that, we'll go back to that Scrabble example. How many 3-letter strings can I create using 3 of the 5 letters A, B, C, D, E? Right? We know that the answer is 60. There are 60 different arrangements possible. What do those 60 look like? I've not listed all 60, but I've basically given an idea of what it looks like. Now there are 10 different selections: ABC, ABD, ABE, ACD, ACE, ADE, BCD, BCE, BDE and CDE are the only possible selections of 3 items from 5 items, right? But each selection has many ways of arranging them. ABC, if you select the letters A, B and C, you could arrange them in 6 different ways: ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB and CBA, right? So you have 10 selections, and each selection has 6 arrangements, which would be a total of 60 arrangements, right? This can be summarized using this idea right here. Number of arrangements is number of selections into arrangements per selection. I have 10 selections and I have 6 arrangements per selection, so I should have 60 arrangements. Now here's the thing, this can be directly found using FTC. This can also be directly found using FTC, right? And when you divide the 60 by the 6, that is when you get the 10, right? So you have to look at it this way. The number of arrangements is, I want to make a 3-letter word using 5 available letters, so it's 5 into 4 into 3, 60 arrangements are there. The number of arrangements for each selection, right? Let's say I've already selected ABC as an example. How many ways can I arrange this? I have 3 dashes and I have 3 letters to choose from. 3 into 2 into 1. I have 6 arrangements for each selection. That means the number of selections is 60 by 6 equal to 10. This is basically an example which shows how you derive. I mean, if you do this for a general case, you will get the expansion for NCR. NCR is basically just number of arrangements divided by arrangements per selection, which will give you the formula n factorial by n minus r factorial, right? So if you understand how to derive NCR from FTC and NPR from FTC, that means technically you can solve any PnC question starting from the first principles. You don't need any single formula. All you need is logic, and you need to understand how to apply FTC, right? But that being said, we learn these formulas so we don't have to solve every question from step 1, right? You can use these results to speed up your solutions, but technically you should be able to derive all the results. And we have done that, because anything you learn beyond this point in this chapter is, once you apply some logic for that particular type of question, you will end up with NCR or NPR. And if those can be derived from first principles, basically any question in this chapter can be solved from first principles.